Okay, so this is a new LK1920HA, last three digits, 131 it looks like. So sewing a belt tab here. So when you turn the power on, what's going to be on the display is the last pattern that's on here. Okay, this is the ready button, and this is the same as all the Juki programmable machines. If you want to change the pattern, this arrow is going to change. If you look at this, there's arrows, double arrows here, and plus and minus. So arrow changes it from the EEPROM to standard, which I've disabled all the other ones, or if you had a thumb drive in, it would go to that too. This would go to the different patterns, but we only have one pattern in here. Everything else has been disabled because you only have the one clamp setup. When you hit the ready button, the clamp's going to home, the machine's going to home up. You have 3-pedal system here. That pedal makes that side come down. The other pedal makes that side come down. I'm going to raise it up. This would be the sidekick that would start the machine. So you would move that. So we're going to load this up. And that's what the pattern looks like there. Let's see if we get it under better light. You can see the pattern there. Then you can see underneath. Okay. So another one. The leather varies a little bit, so we kind of have it averaged out. Top, and there's the bottom. Okay, so if you look at the pattern here, you've got 53 stitch pattern. And I think you should be all set.